a compound light microscope. This is the one that you're going to use in class a few times. And there's an on-off switch in the back. Right here is a little dimmer. You can make the light brighter or darker using that. So I turn it on and I can make it dimmer or brighter. So I'm going to make it as bright as possible. There's the light right there. Here's the stage. This is where you look in. It's the ocular lens or the eyepiece. It magnifies all by itself about 10 times. There are objective lenses. This one, the black and white one, you won't use till grade 11. It's an oil immersion. It's a special one. We always start with the red one. It magnifies by itself 4 times. So 10 times and 4 times makes a total of 40 times total magnification. The next one we'll use is the yellow. It's 10 times, so 100 total. The blue one is 40 times. It's 400 times total magnification. We always start with the red or low. Yellow is medium and blue is high. And remember, we won't be using the black and the white. There's a tiny lever underneath here called the diaphragm. I can move it and it changes how much light goes through the stage. When we're focusing, we want to use the coarse adjustment knob first. So I've got my slide on the stage. I move this all the way up. You see that the stage has moved from here to here. I make sure my specimen is in the center. I probably won't see anything yet. And I'm going to turn the large knob away from me until I see something. I should see usually something colored. It should be reasonably sharp. I use this knob to make it perfect, nice sharp image. And then we want to make sure when we're looking in the microscope that the object is right in the middle. There'll be a black pointer, look like this. Make sure it's pointing at what you want to look at. If you've done everything perfectly, going to the next power is as simple as that. You should still see what you're looking at. Fine focus only. Never use this knob again. You only need it when you're on low power. Adjusting the diaphragm might make the object or the image look better. When you're done, low power, stage all the way down. Turn it off, unplug it, wrap the cord around, and cover it up.